Hi everyone, I'm Eloise, and today I'm going to show you how to subtract three-digit numbers using the standard algorithm. Let's go through it step by step. Step 1. Write the numbers. First, you need to write down the numbers you want to subtract. Make sure to line them up vertically by their place values. Write the ones under the ones, the tens under the tens, and the hundreds under the hundreds. If we are subtracting 247 from 563, it would look like this. Step 2. Subtract the ones. Next, we look at the ones place. Here we have 3 from 563 and 7 from 247. We need to subtract 7 from 3, but wait, 3 is smaller than 7, so we need to borrow from the tens place. Step 3. Regroup from the tens. Regrouping means taking one 10 from the tens place of 563, leaving us with 5 tens. Then we add that 10 to the 3 ones, making it 13. Now our problem looks like this. Step 4. Subtract the ones again. Now we can subtract the ones place, 13 minus 7. Let's do the math. So we write 6 in the ones place under the line. Step 5. Subtract the tens. Now, let's move over to the tens column. We have 5 from 563 minus 4 from 247. So, we write 1 in the tens place under the line. Step 6. Subtract the hundreds. Finally, let's move to the hundreds column. We have 5 from 563 minus 2 from 247. So, we write 3 in the hundreds place under the line. Step 7. Write your answer. After subtracting the hundreds, tens, and ones, our answer looks like this. Step 8. Check your work. It's always a good idea to double-check your work. Subtract the numbers in each step again to make sure your answer is correct. Now let's try another one together. This time, we're going to subtract 123 from 481. Step 1. Write the numbers. First, can you write down the numbers 481 and 123? Lining up the ones, tens, and hundreds places just like we did before? Step 2. Subtract the ones. Look at the ones place. What numbers do you see there? That's right, 1 from 481 and 3 from 123. Can you subtract those? Since 1 is smaller than 3, we need to regroup from the tens place. Step 3. Regroup from the tens. Regrouping means taking one 10 from the tens place of 481, leaving us with 7 tens. Then we add that 10 to the 1, making it 11. Now our problem looks like this. Step 4. Subtract the ones again. Now we can subtract the ones place, 11 minus 3. Let's do the math. So we write 8 in the ones place under the line. Step 5. Subtract the tens. Now let's move to the tens column. You have 7 tens in 481 and 2 tens in 123. How many tens do you have when you subtract those? So we write 5 in the tens place under the line. Step 6. Subtract the hundreds. Finally, let's move to the hundreds column. You have 4 hundreds in 481 and 100 in 123. How many hundreds do you have when you subtract those? So we write 3 in the hundreds place under the line. Step 7. Write your answer. Once you've subtracted the hundreds, tens, and ones, your final answer should look like this. Step 8. Check your work. It's always important to check your math. Can you try subtracting the numbers again to see if you get the same result? What's another way you could check if your answer is correct? Great job working through that subtraction problem! Keep practicing and you'll be a pro in no time. See you next time!